What the project became after it was presented to us was starting with our standard CSM, and then we needed to customize it based on the product and the processes that was requested. So what they wanted to do was they wanted to be able to produce analytical data for manufacturing, so they needed a product that they could produce over and over and over again and easily customize. So we started off with a token process, which is essentially a poker chip that they could customize. The laser etching cell does just that. Brings the product in, we laser the logo onto it. Op30 takes the tokens and assembles them into a clear capsule to protect them. Then it takes a decorative tin, opens it, puts a quantity in the tin, seals the tin back up, and now they have a product that can go to the shelf. The last station, Op40, does a unitized tray pack. That is a order fulfillment based on what was produced, built into a tray by order, unique to every product.